So I'm using the custom mailing list feature of my Mailbox Power account to develop a targeted mailing list to which I would send a postcard campaign and design a lovely postcard with a QR code to my booking website. And this is going to be for a cleaning company in Columbus, Ohio. And so we could offer them perhaps a discount code for their first cleaning. And the criteria I used was I Googled a list of the highest wealth zip codes in Columbus, Ohio, and used those initially for my selection. I was looking for people who had moved within the last year because they may still are probably more likely to be open to starting a cleaning program in their new home. And looking for a value of a home of $200,000 or more, up to $1 million, and a dwelling type single family home. And here you notice a change of dwelling type. These are people who had moved, and I wanted people who had moved from multifamily to single family, or single family to single family. I didn't want people who were downsizing, so I excluded them. And I was also looking for a median household income of $100,000 or more. Age 30 to 54, female decision makers over cleaning. And I figured the 30 to 54 is kind of the family raising age that might be best for people who would be good prospects. And so these are new homeowners. And that gave me a list of 686 targeted prospects. And if I wanted to purchase those, I just picked 600, which would cost me $135, which is about 22 cents a targeted lead. So on top of that, you'd have the cost of your postcards. If you have the same account as I have, you get unlimited free postcards. And I'll show you how to do that and give you my discount code for that. And then there's postage, of course, and this is not bulk rate postage, so you would be paying for postcard postage, which I think is like 48 cents. And then what the system does is give you a preview without any specific data here, so you can see the home values, the type of home, where they moved from single family dwelling unit to single family dwelling unit. What the median household income is. So you could, when you download this into a spreadsheet, if you wanted to, you can resort that and only go for the higher income folks, or you can change the criteria here. Gender female, the age within that category that I talked about, from 30 to 54. The published date, you'll notice some of these are 2022 and some of them are 2023 because I set a criteria of people who had moved in the last year. Their full name will be here when you purchase the list, and here's the city, state, zip, and then the addresses are blacked out, and so are the names. But if you click here to buy list, you would get a CSV file of the 600 with all of those details, which you can then upload into your direct mail system and create a card, and then just merge the two. So it would be a card, and if you are following our system, you would use a merge for the first name. So someone will go to their mailbox and they will get a nice, beautiful card from you with maybe a picture of a very clean kitchen, and it will have their name on it. So it will say, "Hello, Mary. Can we interest you in a discount on a special cleaning on our wonderful cleaning service or something, and then we can work on that to be more original. But anyway, just thought I'd throw that out there so you can see what it is that I'm talking about in terms of lead generation, for which you can do very specifically for a target market. And if you have an interest, call Philip at 250-891-7477, and I will show you how to get set up with an account like this. The regular rate is $79 a month for the Pro plan, and but I have a 3-month discount code which gives you $149 for your first 3 months. So in terms of cost-effective lead generation, you want to start, you wouldn't want to send all 600 out initially. You probably pick a couple of hundred, and you could probably just to see how well it works if you need to redesign your card, and then play around with it. But it's a very cost effective, and then you can have them go to your website or go to a lead capture page, or text you, or have a QR code that goes where you want it to go. So. And again, contact Philip Hume at 250-891-7477. I hope this is helpful.